toast with butter, that's the routine for me. I walk to school with my best friend, we talk about our day. I always do the same things in the same old boring way. But today is very different, it's the most unusual day. I am sitting by a dragon who is teaching me to play. He is breathing little smoke rings and is smiling right at me. This is not an ordinary day, not a bit, as you can see. I never see a dragon in the playground after school. I never meet a princess who thinks I'm very cool. I never find a magic key or a map with an X on it. My days are always normal and boring just a bit. But today is very different, it's a most unusual day. I am flying on a carpet far above the bay. We are passing by a castle where a giant is waving at me. This is not an ordinary day, not a bit, as you can see. So now I always check the garden and I never know what's true. But now I look for magic in everything I do. But today is very different, it's a most unusual day. I am sitting down for dinner, but my food has flown away. My mom is asking